What is spinach? Spinach is an alkaline vegetable that contains more nutrients such as vitamins, iron, and calcium than other vegetables. It prevents constipation, anemia, rheumatism, kidney disease, and pelvic development in children. Folic acid inside spinach can improve brain function and reduce dementia. It also is involved in cell and DNA division and reduces the risk of congenital disabilities. Spinach is highly recommended to the elderly, women in 20s to 40s, and pregnant women. Spinach's red roots contain copper and manganese, which helps breaking down hazardous substances for our body and discharge them. Both leaves and roots should be consumed for all nutrients. Which breed of spinach are you growing in the smart farm? The name of the breed is called King of Denmark. It is a western species with straight stems and has disease resistance. Its flower also blooms later than other breeds. The leaves are dark green and have a glossy oval shape with small cuts. The thick mesophyll keeps the freshness of the vegetable too. How do you grow spinach in a container? After sowing, it was grown in germinating plates for 7 to 10 days with 2 LED lights shining on them 24 hours a day. After planting on the cultivation bed, the 36 LEDs per floor were cross-lit for 17 hours every day and was grown for 28 days in total. What is the difficulty of growing spinach in the smart farm? Spinach grows in an alkaline environment with a pH level ranging from 7 to 8. An average pH level for general leafy vegetable is 6.5, so there's a difference. After cultivation, the leaves seemed to be drying and not growing well, but they succeeded with no problem after a week. Another concern was that spinach's roots grow deep, but there was a depth limit in the smart farm. Despite my concern, the red roots grew healthily, and the leaves were big and had a deep green color. It exceeded my expectation. Which light do you use to grow spinach? Spinach was grown from inside of the container with QBY025A light. QBY025A plant growth LED light has a CRI level of 95, which means it is very close to sunlight. CRI is a measurement that indicates light similarity to sunlight. When green wavelength, a part of sunlight, is excluded in the light, CRI level naturally decreases. Hippo Farmtech has included green wavelength to realize light closest to the sunlight and created high color rendering lights with CRI level 95. Most plant growth light uses red and blue wavelength only from red, blue, and green. Many plant growth light does not use green wavelength because of their unclear role. However, the pest prevention effect of green wavelength was recently discovered by research and has attracted lots of people's attention to green wavelength's role. Hippo Farmtech uses all spectrum of lights and has produced high color rendering lights with a CRI level of 95, which is very close to sunlight. Other brands' plant growth lights are not visually satisfying with their purple color. On the other hand, Hippo Farmtech's lights have a color temperature of 3,500 Kelvin, which is even being used as interior decorating light.